Trust Core new mining app for mining. Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel. Volete fondaci history for comment, for Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we're gonna speak about Trust Core, and Trust Core it's a mining app. It's so easy, but is only the problem you must have a Discord account to log in. As you see in the front, you must log in with your Discord account, and I will click login, authorize, and he start to make account, age, verify, and level, and everything, and give you a coin on it. As you see here in the beginning, there are a connect to Discord and the download APK, so you have to download the APK from this mirror. I will let for you my referral link in description box. You can join through it, and it's so easy. For white paper, we can check it. As you see, the total supply and the user have 60% and equality for 30%, 5% promotion and 5% for team reserved. That's all for no KYC or invest required to start mining, just mining, and will finish. When they finish mining, you will take your coin directly. For also exchange listing, they said Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Mexi, Global. They are very clear and very smooth. It's so easy, like piece of cake. This is only also nothing more about KYC. For mining, you have to click here in mining, and it will mining directly. For task, there are not a few tasks, like joining Telegram and follow them on X. For team, you already know. I will let for you the link if you like to join through the link. For me, it's a small wallet. You can earn your coin. As you see, it's equal $1. Actually, I don't know how, but it's not a problem at all. In the end, we will know. For withdraw, it's coming soon. That's meaning we have to wait until they finish them white paper step, and after they finish the white paper step, we will check to make withdraw again. It's so easy, like piece of cake, and also so smooth. You can earn directly, no KYC, nothing hard, just mining directly. Right now, number of mining it's 4 million, and this is the rest of the total supply. We still have time to mining. It's a chance. You must earn it. Right now, I can say to you goodbye and see you soon. Don't forget to make like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, just ask us in our Telegram group. Goodbye.